PPT Gen X. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to design a slide using the rectangle shape. So as you can see here, I have created 6 slides using the shape rectangle. So now let's create a 7th one. So I am going to make the exact copy of the last slide, okay, by pressing the Ctrl D key. And now as I have given the morph transition, I'll show you the morph transition to all of my slides. Okay, so automatically our slide number 7 also have the morph transition. So in the slide number 7, we are going to use the same shapes and we are going to just add on for a few more. Okay, let's begin. So here, let's try and extend it to both the sides, and let's reduce its size like this. Alright, perfect. Now let's move the rectangles. So here, let's take this rectangle also. Let's change the shape of the rectangle, size like this. Maybe a little longer will work. Here we are going to take this and let's change its size and let's place it somewhat over here on this rectangle, over here. Now let's make the copy of the same rectangle, okay, and let's place it somewhat over here. Let's make the copy of our creamish rectangles and let's place them randomly anywhere. Okay. Let's make more. Beautiful. Now let's move the text to the left hand side like this. Okay. So like this, by using the rectangle shape, you can create as many designs as you want. So for the same slides, I have given the link below in the description. You can download it. All right, now let's have a preview of the slide. So here is our last slide. And here it goes. Beautiful.